वेलकम टू रोहिला स्टेनो क्लासेस। आपका डिक्टेशन शुरू होगा 3 सेकंड बाद। रेडी, स्टार्ट। एन इफेक्टिव आंसर टू द क्रिटिसिज्म लेवल्ड अगेंस्ट द प्रेजेंट सिस्टम would be to divide the duties and functions of a chief electoral officer into two distinct categories, namely electoral and administrative, and to demarcate the two categories as clearly as possible. In respect of electoral matters, the chief electoral officer would be required to correspond and deal with the commission directly without the necessity of obtaining any prior concurrence of the state government. The state government need not, in fact, be troubled with any of such matters with which it would not be directly concerned. If it is felt desirable or necessary that the state government's views should also be available to the commission, copies of the correspondence between the commission and the chief electoral officer would be communicated to the chief secretary to the state government for the purpose. In respect of all administrative matters, however, the chief electoral officer would function in full consultation with the concurrence of the state government. In fact, this procedure has already been brought into operation and has been working satisfactorily. Para, in the light of the experience gained during the last 8 years, the Commission has come to the conclusion that the Chief Electoral Officer of a state should be a senior officer of the state government, preferably with the status of a joint secretary at least, except for a year or so during the general elections. There is no objection to his being a part-time officer, but in every such case, a junior whole-time officer should invariably be made available to him as his deputy. The Commission has noticed that many part-time chief electoral officers find it difficult, in view of their other preoccupations, to undertake tours to the districts, and this inevitably results in the loss of an effective touch between the chief electoral officer on the one hand and the district officers and the other election officers in the districts on the other. Experience has also shown that occasional, if not frequent, inspections of election offices in the district headquarters and the subdivisions have a salutary effect in toning up the efficiency and removing the working defects of these offices. Such inspections also afford a very valuable opportunity to the local election officers to apprise the chief electoral officer, and through him the election commission, of the practical difficulties, if any, they experience in carrying out the provisions of the law and the directions of the commission and the chief electoral officer. Not unoften has it been found that a particular officer has evolved some procedure in detail or introduced some innovation. Stop. दोस्तों, यदि डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन अवश्य दबा दें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक तुरंत पहुंच सके।